Veena's Beauty Tips. I am Veena and today I will show you how to do a hair puff using bobby pin and U-pin, and how to do a hair puff without using a hair bump it that I have been showing in the previous videos. Well, let's get started. Also, yes, I have not been posting it for a while. I was out for the festivals, and now that I'm back, I have come up with some of the videos. Hope you like it. Okay, so I have taken a section of my hair like this on the back. You can see like so. And I'm just going to puff it up like this, and this very section here I'm going to use a U-pin. Yeah, this is a small U-pin like this size U-pin, and I'm going to just put it inside. Into the opposite direction. So this is a puff that I got. Just smooth it out with the hairspray. So you get a bumpit kind of a thing, a puff here on the side. Now let's try with a bobby pin. Okay, now these are my bobby pins. I'm going to use about 2 to 3 bobby pins for my hair. So I just take that same section of my hair, and because I don't have a mirror on that side, I will just show you from the side here. Just puff it up like so, like just puff it up, and then just secure it with a bobby pin. Right, so I think yeah, two bobby pins are sufficient for that puff to happen. And now we can do our basic hairstyle. That is my hair bun. I'm going to make a hair bun here so that it can be, it will quite enhance my hairstyle. To braid, basically. I'm really loving this style of two braids. I'll get back to you once I finish. I'm actually doing a rope braid. Let me finish it quickly. I do have a machine. I do have a hair styling machine to do a rope braid, but it doesn't work for me. As I showed you in my previous video, it didn't definitely not worked. If you want to see that video, you can, it's somewhere here, I will show the link. You can just watch that. So this is quite a task. I'll just stop it here and leaving the rest of the section. Actually, we need to go till the end. Okay, but I'm stopping it right here. This is a bobby pin, and I'm going to secure it. I'm not using a rubber band, using a bobby pin instead. Right, so that it stays. Rubber band serves the same purpose, badly, like, but it pulls my hair out. I'm going to do the same thing on this side also. It's more like a Shakuntala hairstyle. Okay, so yeah, it's because the hair rubber band pulls my hair. I am not going to use a hair rubber band now that I have the luxury of using a bobby pin. And I know it, I can use it. Hi. So just twist it. I'll get back to you once I finish this. Okay, I have done both the side rope braid. I'm going to go ahead and make a hairband on the top and get back to you. Oh well, I'll show it to you for sure. So I'm going to make a hairband. Just taking the two braid on the side. I'll just make a hairband. So I just made a hairband leaving my two braids on the side. I just secure it with a chopstick, otherwise everything will come out. So yeah, this is the chopstick, so it stays. Now I'm going to take this braid. Let me come closer. After doing the hairband, this is how it should look like. Very simple hairband. Now these two braids, I'm just going to twist it on one side. Take this on the side and bring it around. Bring it around the hairband. I'm going to take this. Oh yeah, of course. I'm going to take this this bobby pin out. And now that this is twisted once, I am going to going to take it from under the rope braid. So because these are not braided ones, the bottom ones are not braided, so I'm going to simply tuck it inside. Oh, I was just wondering what this is. I'll just tuck it inside my hairband. So this is like so, and continue till I'm sorry, I'm running out of words. Continue till the hair is finished twisting all over. Do the same on the other side. Let's take it from down here this time and bring it up over the rope braid, other rope braid, like so. Take the bobby pin out and tuck the rest of the hair under the hair. Okay, tuck it till all the hair is complete. My hair is now complete and this is how it looks like. Well, yeah, that's it. You can also decorate with some flowers. If you are going for some Indian festival, you can definitely tuck it with some flowers. If I have any, I will be using one simple U-pin flower just on my bun, like so, so that if you have more than one, you can definitely put it. I can put it. I found one more, so I'm just going to place it at the center. So yes, so that's it. I'm going to remove my chopstick. At present it is not needed. So yeah, this is how the complete look will look like. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope you enjoy a wonderful festival season that is coming up, and I hope you had a wonderful Ganpati as well. Thank you so much for watching. You have a wonderful day. Well friends, I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making and creating it. If you have any suggestions, requests or any hair related query, please do post it in the comment box and I will try to answer your queries and make videos of your suggestions. Also follow me on Instagram, that is @Veena's Beauty Tips. My Instagram, I have been posting some content on Instagram when I am on vacation and when I'm traveling, so I do keep on posting some things there, so you can check out my travel also over that side. Of course, I don't leave my hair open. I always tie it into a hair bun when I am traveling. But yes, you can definitely see some amazing places. If you like, I will definitely post it on YouTube as well. Well, do let me know your thoughts and comments related to travel and also related to hair. I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. You have a lovely day.